Hey everyone, I'm going to show you a demo of the secure day pass issuance and smooth check-in process using Kavach ID. So user lands up on this form, and the first thing that he has to do is he has to go through the ID verification process. Again, this is an optional, but this is required for smooth check-in, right? So let's go ahead with the Aadhaar verification. Yeah. So here we will be using QR code based Aadhaar verification flow. So here this is my Aadhaar card, and I'm presenting my Aadhaar card to this app. It pulls out my data and gives me a consent screen where I have to provide the consent that I'm providing this data to this company. After that, optionally, you can also configure liveliness check, right? So this is our AI based model which we have deployed, and this will basically match my current image, selfie image, with the identity document that we are providing. Yeah, so that this is just to ensure that you are not bringing someone else's ID card with you. Yeah, once this is done, your ID is verified, and you may notice that your name has been pulled out from the Aadhaar card, meaning that there can be other important personal details can also be pulled out from the Aadhaar card. So now I will just enter my phone number and email address, and of course select the workspace where I want to uh, basically work, right? Then finally I'll go through the payment process because I have to pay. Now this is a very dummy payment process which I have just integrated. So here I just need to submit the button, click the button, and my payment is done. Now I am ready to request a day pass from the company, right? So once I submit it, what I get is a day pass, right? And in day pass in the form of a QR code, and of course I can print this day pass in the form of a PDF in the QR code. Yeah. So now let's just take a look at the day pass. So this is my day pass. It has some details and it also has the QR code present. Now this QR code is important because it contains three facts about you. First, you have verified your ID. Second, the day pass itself, like information about related to which is what is the center, when this day pass is going to expire, when it was issued, who has issued, and so on and so forth. And the third most important one is invoice itself. So this one QR code consisting of all these three documents will make the entire check-in process very seamless. So let us go ahead and see the check-in process now. So user goes to the venue, and over the venue there is a check-in desk. Over there is a person, or it can be a kiosk machine or some machine which can which have the ability to scan a QR code of the users you know use a QR code in the day pass, right? So he can either scan a QR code, or let's say for the sake of this demo, we will upload that PDF, and see what happens. It just took some few seconds to pull out the data from the QR code, and what you get is the three document at once. Like all these documents have been shared in just one flow, right? So your day pass has been shared, which has your issuance date, expiration date, who is the issuer, what is the center, and so on. Then your ID document has also been shared, right? And then finally your invoice has been shared, who was the provider, who was the broker of this invoice, what payment method did you use, and so on and so forth. So did you notice that all of these documents are shared in one flow, in one go, right? And this is sufficient enough to verify any fact about the user who is coming at the venue, right? So you are not asking one document and then he's searching that document in some other email address, and then you are asking another document and then he's searching in some other place. And so no hassle like that, no, there is no need for handling so many documents at once, and just for the check-in process. So did you see the how the check-in process has been drastically improved? It is just 10 second, it took just 10 seconds. So let me summarize the demo, right? So what we have understood, or what we have seen here, is that uh, we can uh, uh, we can smooth the process, or we can improve the process in basically two or three sectors. Like first, A is the usability, so there is no hassle of handling multiple document. B, in the within the usability, we also saw that the check-in process has been smoothened out. So there is no much, there is no long queues. The time has been reduced, so which is why there is no long queue. Second is the security, which is the most important thing, right? So user has linked his identity, and he cannot fake his identity, because we have verified his face and all and everything we have done. Second, he cannot fake this document at all, because we are using cryptography behind the scene. So you cannot just go and edit something in that PDF and generate a new QR code and come back to us. We will be able to we will be able to verify that it's a fake document. Third, you cannot share this day pass. Normally, in the manual process, once I get the day pass for, let's say, 2 days, I can go for 1 day and I can give the same day pass to my friend and he can go for the another day, right? Here, you can literally stop that. So, and the third, which is the most important thing, is everything is whatever I'm showing is privacy preserving. Like, this data remains with the users, and on the need to know basis, businesses have ability to request the data and get the data from the Aadhaar. So we don't have to store all of this data at our servers. Yeah, so it is very privacy preserving. So I hope you like this demo. Thank you very much.